What's going on, everybody? I got a quick little tip for you guys. If you have a GE dryer and it has a button like this one here, and you're having problems and it doesn't turn on, it checks out, your breakers check out, your electricity works, everything, the light is on inside your dryer, but it just won't turn on. So what happens sometimes is this guy, it breaks right on the sides there. Let's see that? There's that side, and then there's that side. See, so that little black piece in there, just in there loose, and basically it bottoms out on the control board, on the control panel, I'm sorry. And when that happens, you gotta replace this guy. Your dryer is not broken, you just have a broken button, and replace this guy and you should be good to go. Cool.